Another innovation from WinTech Racing, quick release wing riggers. Rig your boat in 20 seconds. No tools needed. Place your rigger into the desired cam slot. Open cams fully and push down to set the bolt. Slide the rigger into position. Finally, close the cam lever to lock the rigger into place. The cam lock and 3-position cam plate keep the rigger tight with correct pressure every time. De-rig your boat in 5 seconds. Just open the cams and remove the rigger. No more lost hardware. Here is a close-up of the cam lever and keyed slot. Up is opened and down is closed. This animation shows how it works in slow motion. Rig your boat with a few easy steps. It's that simple. WinTech's quick-release system is available for sculling and sweep aluminum airfoil wing riggers. Save time and save space in your boathouse with WinTech Racing. Learn more at www.wintechracing.com.